Mm. Mm. It's safe to cross the track because there's no train coming. I'll cross the tracks in a hurry in case there's a train coming. And I also need to get to the other side to get to my station. And I need to cross the tracks. And there's no train coming. So I cross the track in a hurry. Ding ding. Ding 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 ding. There's a train coming. But it's all the way over there. So I have still enough time to go past the truck. And I think it's gonna go over there where that truck is because I think it's gonna change its route. Actually, it's not, and it's coming to kill me this way. And the train is reporting on news. This train has crashed over a Lego person. We'll now report it on TV with Lego City. We'll have to report